Cleaning professionals have relied on the power of pine oil to achieve the highest results. DEO PINE, pine oil deodorant and cleaner, is manufactured with pure steam distilled pine oil, emulsifiers, and a detergent system to deliver outstanding cleaning, stain removal, and degreasing performance with long-lasting deodorization. Highly concentrated DEO PINE is an outstanding choice for mopping tough-to-clean floors in commercial kitchens and restrooms, or spray and wipe on hard surfaces. DEO PINE can also be added to provide extra cleaning and deodorization when laundering bedding and towels in hotels and healthcare facilities.